The Chicago
Try calling y'all by name, but shit, it wasn't.
What you say about me?
Nothing, man. Just talking shit.
You my name. In the street? My name is my name.
YouTube, what's going on? Decided to come on out here, man. Still ain't did no body work, ain't did nothing, man. But I'm about to run all the speaker wires, man, because they got shit everywhere. So I can run these speakers the right way. But for all you guys just trying to bypass the amp, the factory amp and shit, which I'm not gonna do. I was, but I'm not. I don't know. I mean, they be talking about that harness and all that. Look, this is the only thing you gotta do. See this? Got this plug right here. Y'all can see it? Got that plug. I'm trying to get even better than that. Got that plug. Unplug that. See these wires? Cut them. These your speaker wires. Them your fronts. Blues and the greens is your backs. Positive, negative, you can use your battery to see which way it pop. Don't matter what kind of battery, just if it pop out, you know you got your positive. Pop in, that's your negative. You can leave it out. And then just run your speaker wires directly to the wires that's in the door. You know, instead of doing all that other crap. And you can leave this unplugged, but make sure it's the ones on top. Those, not these. These are inputs. You want the outputs. It plugs in just like that. Undo it, cut them, run your wires. Simple as that. Alright, but I'm about to run all these and put that amp to the back. I think I'm gonna run them in parallel or series. I don't know yet. Gotta see which way sound better. So let me go and get to it. Alright. Okay, back with y'all. So what I did was, for these subs, the driver side, I ran all the positives, connected this positive with the back door positive, the negative with the negative, did the same on the other side. And then when it came to the amp, I took that positive, connected to this side negative, and that leaves me with a one lead positive and one lead negative from both sides. So that's where we at with that. Make sure y'all hear how it sound. But I'm also about to try to see if I can get these in. Just use these as my highs. They brand new. They just dusty as hell. So make sure y'all hear it.
Money on my head, you could kiss me when you miss me. Forever reminiscing. See, I rather barbarians than to perish in the system. If I gotta die, then I die, then I'm dead. See, I don't give a fuck. Put some money on my head. You could kiss me when you miss me. Forever reminiscing. See, I rather barbarians than to perish in the system. Somebody said that I died in the cell with no peace. They was pumping on the chest of my heart with no beats. I was dying like a beast, screaming, fuck the police. Seeking free big meat, even as I'm deceased. I wanna leave with no grief, white sheet with no grief. There's no halo on my head, I'm a killer, not a thief. There's no heaven for a G, Tupac, it's just a dream. Boy, I might see it soon, and I can tell you about the dream. Gordon Miller told her sister, girl, dead in the streets. Mama always gotta cry, cause he was married to his heat. But this family got to eat. I'm saying life for us was sweet.
And these JVCs, they give it like the highs that I need. You know, without it, it still sound good, but since I got them, I'm gonna use them. So I'm trying to cut this out and see how I'm gonna do it. Cut y'all back on in a minute. right back with y'all. Gotta excuse all the dust and shit. Y'all can see I got it in now. Just had to cut it out a little bit. It ain't nowhere near hitting that or hitting anything. Gotta do the passenger side. I'm about to go and test it out again. Alright. Okay, YouTube, I don't feel like taking that grill back off, but this is how I cut the other one in. I just cut it out and slid it on both ends. It's not touching the actual cone at all. It's just on this metal. Yeah, I just had to put one screw in there. So I wanted to show y'all that so you can fit 2 sets of 6.5s. Long as your second set not a sub, because you see how small, shallow the depth is on that compared to that one. So damn, they're done with all this wiring, man. They had it all fucked up. So let me go and get back to it.